Hello all. I was gifted 3 wonderful beauty products to evaluate from the Mare brand. All of the Mare products are climate-friendly, ethically sourced, science-backed and designed in the US. The products are beautifully wrapped and are all quite affordable. They are wonderful to get for yourself and also as a gift for your friends or family. These 3 products were developed to help nourish our faces and our hair. Did you know that as we age our collagen production slows down? We all need a little help to boost that collagen production. These products contain all natural ingredients that will help us glow. And they were developed and tested without harming animals or the environment. This Mare Under Eye Balm is a blend of retinol and natural waxes mixed with collagen, hyaluronic acid, and ceramides to help add necessary hydration and promote firmness for that delicate skin under our eyes. This will help to minimize wrinkles for a more youthful look. So easy to use, I just apply under my eyes at night and let Mare do all the work while I sleep. This Mare Collagen and Retinol Deep Moisturizer is made with collagen, retinol and hyaluronic acid. This natural formula helps to nourish and hydrate our skin to improve elasticity for a more youthful and radiant glow. I use this cream at night and also each day before I apply my makeup. Even my husband has noticed how wonderful my skin looks and feels since I started using this product. This Mare Keratin Hair Treatment is a deep conditioner that you apply to your hair while it's wet after shampooing. You simply leave it on for 10 minutes, then rinse it off and blow dry and style your hair as always. This hair treatment includes all natural ingredients like keratin, biotin, and coconut oil. It's a very easy way to restore your dry, damaged or frizzy hair and return to a more sleek, smooth and sophisticated look. Each of the Mare products has a subtle pleasant scent and have not affected my allergies one bit. I'm grateful to the Mare brand for producing these all-natural products that truly help me look my best. Check out the Mare store on Amazon. They have quite a wonderful selection of high-quality beauty products to meet all of our individual needs. Enjoy! And ta-ta for now.